Today is Saturday, May 28th, 2011, and today's project we are going to paint this bathroom. So this is how it looks now, or before, if you will. It's yellow, and we painted it probably about 4 years ago. And we're going to paint it lavender. So we'll see you for the after. And this is the after. Hold on, let me turn the light on. See the color? One is like a lavender. And worked out great, you're hearing the fan. And then the next thing is right here behind the toilet. I'm going to hang a cabinet, a wall cabinet. Okay, and this is the finished product. All the painting's done, everything's up, the cabinet, everything together took about 6 hours to do, and that included painting, fixing the towel rack, hanging this cabinet, new stuff for the toilet, rugs. Everything start to finish was about a 6-hour job.